This is a brand new 2014 GMC Sierra 3500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.6-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, cooled seats, a Bose stereo system, skid plates, and power-adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, dual airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
James Wood Motors is located at 2111 US Highway 287 South in Decatur. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.